In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a shipping zone on Shopify. Deleting a shipping zone in Shopify might seem like an intricate task at first glance, but with straightforward guidance, it can be an easy process. Whether you're reorganizing your shipping strategy or simply cleaning up unused zones, this tutorial walks you through each step to remove a shipping zone efficiently. First, let's start at the very beginning. Head to the Shopify website. It's essential to log into your Shopify account to make any changes, including modifying shipping zones. If you're already logged in, perfect. Otherwise, click on the login button you'll find on the Shopify homepage. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials. This might just be your highlight or your main point of access. Upon entering your details, look for the option to continue with email. This step is straightforward and ensures that your login process is secure. Now, if you've set up multiple ways to log in or have different accounts associated with Shopify, you will be prompted to choose the account you wish to use. After selecting the appropriate account, you'll be ready to move forward. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This hub is where all the magic happens, from managing orders to adjusting settings, including shipping zones. To start making changes to shipping zones, click on Settings. It's usually found at the bottom left of the Shopify admin panel. In the Settings menu, you have several options, but for our purpose, we're interested in shipping and delivery. Clicking on this will take you closer to modifying your shipping zones. Once in the shipping and delivery section, look for a segment titled General Shipping. This will direct you to the area where you can oversee all your shipping settings. Within the shipping settings, Shopify allows you to manage different shipping profiles. These profiles help you organize and customize your shipping rates and zones according to product types or destinations. To proceed with deleting a shipping zone, you will need to select a zone. This is where you pinpoint the exact shipping zone you want to eliminate. After selecting the shipping zone in question, you'll notice several options available for modifying this particular zone. Here you want to look for the Delete button. It's crucial at this stage to ensure that you're deleting the correct shipping zone. Shopify typically provides a confirmation prompt to verify your action, as removing a shipping zone is irreversible and could affect your store's shipping strategy. Once you confirm the deletion, the shipping zone will no longer appear in your Shopify's shipping settings, which means you've successfully removed it. This adjustment is immediate, and any products linked to this shipping zone will need a new shipping zone assignment to ensure customers can receive them. Before wrapping up, let's go over a few additional tips that can save you time and potential headaches. Always review your shipping zones and rates before making any deletions or adjustments. This precaution ensures you do not inadvertently disrupt your store's operations or customer experience. Additionally, consider consulting Shopify's support documentation or reaching out to their customer service if you're unsure about the implications of deleting a shipping zone. Deleting a shipping zone is a strategic decision that can streamline your shipping process, adapt to changing business needs, or cater to a new customer base. By following these clear steps, you can make informed adjustments to your shipping settings without stress. And that's how you delete a shipping zone on Shopify. Whether you're refining your store's shipping strategy or simplifying your operations, understanding how to make these adjustments is key to managing an efficient online store. Remember, every change you make contributes to the overall customer experience, so thoughtful modification of shipping zones can lead to smoother transactions and happier customers. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, navigating Shopify's admin can be straightforward with the right guidance. I hope this video has provided you with clear, actionable steps to manage your shipping zones effectively. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy selling!